वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Hello and namaskar my dear kids. Welcome to social science video classes. We have finished our term 2 lessons and now we are going to start the worksheet or the revision sheet for the term 2 syllabus, right? Okay. Now before we start, I hope you all have got your worksheets from the stationery and let's do it together. हम साथ साथ में करेंगे so that you don't face any problem, right? And at the beginning of all the videos I'm sharing your prayer every day, so I hope you all are doing your prayers too, which will help to concentrate, right? Okay, now let's begin. Open your worksheets. See, I have got the worksheet. Questions करते जाएंगे, lessons भी revise करते जाएंगे, isn't it? Now, the first question is, as we can read, which hand shows right direction? So, in the lesson of direction, I told you कि हम लोग directions में main directions north, south, east, west के साथ साथ what can we do? हम लोग hand से भी directions show करते हैं, isn't it? अगर हम कहीं जा रहे हैं, we say right, so we show the right hand. If we say go left, we show the left hand. So which hand shows the right direction? Right hand. See, this is our right hand. So if we have to go to right, we will say that go towards right. And if we have to go left, we say go towards left. Isn't it? So which hand shows the right direction? Right hand. So we write the answer as right hand shows the right direction, isn't it? Right hand shows the right direction. Now question number 2. I hope you are done with question number 1. Let's write question number 2. Write the 4 directions. What are the 4 main directions? The 4 main directions are north, east, west and south, isn't it? So what do we write? Let's write it. East, west, north and south. So the 4 directions are east, west, north and south, right? Okay. Now let's come to question number 3. When you are facing east, which will be the direction to your right? You remember मैंने आपको एक डायग्राम बताया था कि आपको अगर कभी भी direction पता करना है तो you can always make like this. So this is your north, this is your south, this is your east and this is your west, right? So if you face east, आप east की तरफ face करके खड़े हो तो आपके right side में कौन सा direction आएगा? It will be south, right? Right side में south आएगा ना? So what do we write here? The direction to our right is south, while we are facing east direction, right? So जब हम ईस्ट की तरफ फेस करके खड़े होते हैं, so the direction on our right is always south. And finding east is very easy, isn't it? जिस तरफ सूरज उगता है, the direction in which the sun rises is east. So if you face east, and on the right hand side will be the south direction, and south के opposite में it will be north, and east के opposite में it will always be west, right? Okay, now let's move to next question, that is question number 4. What is it? Write the 4 subdirections. We have to write the name of 4 subdirections. So what are the 4 subdirections? North and east के बीच में north east. Then comma, north and west के बीच में northwest. Then comma, south and west के बीच में it's always southwest. And the last one, south and east के बीच में southeast. Do you remember I had told you कि मैप में आप जब भी इंडिया का मैप लेकर बैठो, so you have to find which are the states towards your north, साउथ, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. यू रिमेंबर मैंने आपको क्विज भी करवाया था, isn't it, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में, है ना? ओके, चलो लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. दिस इज तो वेरी इजी. सन सेट्स इन विच डायरेक्शन? ये तो सबको पता है. द सन सेट्स इन द वेस्ट, राइट? सो लेट्स राइट इट डाउन. The sun sets in the west, rises in the east and sets in the west. Are we done? Shall we move to question number 6? Chalo, let's do question number 6. Name the instrument that shows direction. Which instrument shows the direction? Compass, isn't it? Compass is the instrument that shows direction. We have done in the lesson of direction, isn't it? So let's write it down. Compass is the instrument that shows us directions. Right? Are we done? Okay, let's move to question number 7. What is the full form of news? N is for, we have done in the lesson, right? Lesson of direction. N is for north, E for east, W for west, and S is for south. So let's write it down. North, east, west, and south. Right? So whenever we say कि हमें न्यूज़ देखना है, न्यूज़ का चैनल लगाना है, so न्यूज़ मीन्स नॉर्थ ईस्ट वेस्ट साउथ, विच मीन्स हमें हर डायरेक्शन से खबर आती है, हर डायरेक्शन का समाचार मिलता है इन द न्यूज़. जो भी स्टेट्स, जो भी सिटीज़ होती है नॉर्थ ईस्ट वेस्ट साउथ में, हर जगह का खबर हमें मिल जाता है न्यूज़ के थ्रू, इजंट इट? सो न्यूज़ इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट वेस्ट साउथ इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूज़. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. हाउ मेनी सेकेंड्स मेक्स अ मिनट? कितने सेकेंड्स होते हैं एक मिनट में? 1 minute has 60 seconds, right? So we write here 1 minute has 60 seconds. Right? Done? Okay, now number 9. In a clock, which hand shows the minute? हमारे क्लॉक में 3 हैंड्स होते हैं, राइट? एक स्मॉल हैंड, एक बिग हैंड एंड एक कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग हैंड. सो कौन सा वाला हैंड मिनट शो करता है? बिग हैंड, इजंट इट? बिकॉज स्मॉल हैंड shows the hour. So which hand shows the minute? Big hand. Big hand shows the minute in a clock. Right? Okay, now let's move to question number 10. How many minutes are there in an hour? एक घंटे में कितने minutes होते हैं? 60 seconds makes a minute, right? So, how many minutes makes an hour? 60 minutes. 60 minutes makes an hour. Sixty minutes makes an hour. Done? Shall we move to next question? Question number 11, which is on the next page. Now question number 11. How many seconds are there in a minute? So this is again the same question repeated. So you know the answer, right? How many seconds? 60 seconds. So we write here 60 seconds. How many? Now question number 12. How many days are there in a leap year? एक leap year में कितने days होते हैं? In a normal year we have 365 days, right? So in a leap year क्या होता है? February में 28 की जगह 29 days होते हैं. एक दिन बढ़ जाता है ना? So 365 plus 1, it becomes 366. So how many days are there in a leap year? 366 days. (366 days are there in a leap year. right? Now let's move to question number 13. How many months have 30 days? कितने months में 30 days होते हैं? 11 months. Every month is having 30 days except February, right? So we have 12 months. उसमें से February को निकाल दिया तो we are left with 11 months. हर मंथ में 30 days होते हैं. हाँ, जिस मंथ में 31 days होता है उस मंथ में 1 day एक्स्ट्रा आता है, बट 30 days तो हर मंथ में आता है, राइट? सो ऑल द 11 months except February are having 30 days. So we write here all the 11 months except February has 30 days, right? February को लेके 12 months होते हैं, so February को छोड़ दिया तो it becomes 11 months, isn't it? Okay, so that is all for today. चलो 2 questions और कर लें क्या? 15 तक कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? And then 16 onwards we will do in the next class. 2 questions or only 14 and 15, right? So what do you mean by national symbol? National symbols क्या होते हैं? Symbols that reflect our heritage and culture, right? So we write here symbols that reflects a nation's heritage and culture. किसी भी नेशन का सिंबल्स जो उनका हेरिटेज और कल्चर बताए वो नेशनल सिंबल, राइट? ओके, now let's move to question number 15, and this is the last question for today. What does the name Tiranga indicates? Tiranga means tricolor, isn't it? 3 colors. Tricolor flag होता है हमारा, so तिरंगा, तिरंगा, ती मतलब 3, रंगा मतलब color. So what does the name Tiranga means? Tiranga means tricolor. Flag. If you want to add flag, it's good. बिना flag add किए भी चलेगा. Okay. So that is all for today. We will proceed with the questions in the next class. Till then, take care, do your revisions and do your studies, because जैसे ही आपका revision complete हो जाएगा, you will be having your exams, right? So keep studying. Bye-bye.